Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stan Store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Analytics to your Stan Store? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Analytics to your Stan Store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track conversions and also retarget your customers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stan Store dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stan Store, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Google Analytics, you're going to need your Google Analytics ID. That's going to be found in your Google Analytics account. If you need help finding that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But once you have your Google Analytics ID copied to your clipboard, you're going to come back in here to your Stan Store. And on the left side, you're going to click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon here on the left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these options at the top. Make sure you've clicked on Profile. Once you've clicked on Profile, scroll down until you see Analytics. Okay, once you click into Analytics, you're going to see these four options. Now, if this is covered up, that's adding in your analytics to your Stan Store. It's an upgraded feature. If you have the basic plan, it's not going to work, unfortunately. You do have to upgrade. But as long as you have the upgrade, you want to go ahead and paste in your Google Analytics ID right here. Once you pasted it in, go ahead and click on Update. You should see this purple Saved button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Analytics to your Stan Store, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.